Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Hello all. Welcome back to another salad special season. Today I'm going to make a healthy quinoa bowl. Quinoa is a great source of protein, fiber, and the best part, a small portion of it could really fill you up. Let's start cooking. I'm going to take 3/4 of a bowl of quinoa. In a vessel, I've added quinoa and roasted it for a minute. To this, I'm going to add chicken stock. Now the proportion is 2 cups to 1 cup of quinoa. If you would like, you could add vegetable stock. You could also boil it in water, whatever you prefer. I'm using chicken stock since it gives a lovely flavor. Add salt to taste. Now boil this on high flame. And once you see it boiling, bring the flame to medium and cover and cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes until the water is entirely gone. While the quinoa is cooking, let's chop our veggies. I've got some lovely Romanian lettuce here, which I'm going to be cutting bite size. Romanian lettuce is really healthy, low fat, and it's rich in all vitamins. Then I'm going to use yellow pepper, which I've chopped. Again, bell peppers contains a lot of fiber, iron, great source of nutrients. Then I'm using cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to be cutting into small pieces so that every bite in your salad has a piece. Since we are making a healthy salad, every ingredient are specifically selected and are highly nutritious. Request all my viewers to try this since it's really effortless and really healthy. And if you do try it at home, please let me know in the comments below how you like it. Now I'm going to chop some carrots. I'm cutting them into small size so I have them really crunchy. Some cucumber chopped, and cucumber again high content in water. It covers the water we need and really keeps us hydrated as well. Request all my viewers to try this since it's really effortless and really healthy. And if you do try it at home, please let me know in the comments below how you like it. All the veggies are cut into small pieces, so when you're eating it, you have a mix of everything, and that's what really makes it delicious. Now, let's make a quick dressing for our bowl. I'm going to be using tahini, which is made of sesame seeds. And sesame seeds, it's a great source of omega-6, full of antioxidants, and really nutritious. In a bowl, we'll take 3 tablespoons of tahini, freshly ground pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and half a lemon juice. Mix it all well, and you have your quick, delicious tahini dressing ready. Now, a quinoa is ready. Let's plate our dish. Now our healthy quinoa salad bowl is ready. Do try this at home and let me know through comments how you like it. If you do like this video, share it with your loved ones. Also, if you have liked this video, subscribe to my channel. It would be really encouraging. We'll meet you next time. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.